Da, da. Do. Oh.
I want to have a parallel face.
I'm cutting you.
What is it? A congruent?
Maggie.
What?
Ugly.
Who's ugly? Abby! What is beeping?
I have 3 nostrils.
Now you have 4.
3.
I need to get my hair out of your way.
I look like a caricature.
Abby?
Yes?
No, you said.
Oh, caricature.
Huh.
Ew. Scott, you look very peculiar. Oh, you had a blue stripe. Just one.
Are you licking my head?
I need to.
My head is gone. My head. It's gone.
I need to back up. So
There it is.
Go.
Woo. Hey, look at the cardinal.
This is horrible.
And oh, the shame.
Look at the cardinal.
It's eating itself.
My favorite song.
This is the worst I've ever done.
Are you French manicuring?
Yeah.
That never
Can I
goes
do
well
it?
for me.
Yeah, you can do my other hand.
Ew. No, it's nasty.
That happens with nail polish. Look, I'm